scene shot and like fuck that shit. Like I have a friend like super good looking, yeah, like he's a ring light, bro. Very own ring light. Like, but and he's excelling in academics that unlike me with looking and it in everything, bruh. I'm just like a calm water, something like that. And sometimes I'm like waves, bro. You know that. But I do really hope that you know makamit ko yung pangarap ko sa future ko. Like I have this person. I'm courting her and she's one of the main reasons why I always wake up in the morning, then like live the day, yeah. So I really hope din na ano yung future niya, yeah.